This is my life! These are my people!
We have a responsibility to Viltrum.
I don't give a shit about Viltrum. And I don't care if I live a fucking million years. This is my home, and I won't let you destroy it.
You don't know what you're saying.
You want to die for this planet? Fine! What's 17 more years? I can always start again. Make another kid. What will you have after 500 years?
Look at me, Dad. I still have you.
Why did you make me do this? You're fighting so you can watch everyone around you die. Think, Mark. You'll outlast every fragile, insignificant being on this planet. You'll live to see this world crumble to dust and blow away.